Hey, what's going on, everybody? Bonsoir, mes amis. Old Crawdaddy here. I am getting ready to start a fire in my wood stove. And I wanted to talk a little bit. There's a lot of people who they show primitive fire skills and different things like that. And the mystery of making fire, there's actually some science to it. And I spent quite a bit of time researching. You guys know me, I research everything. And but I spent quite a bit of time researching gasification and running, it's called producer gas or wood gas. And in that study, I was able to learn how the fire, making just a fire, campfire, how does it work? Well, we start with whatever tinder bundle and having the right air fuel mixture and all that kind of stuff. The actual process that happens when you're making a fire is that the heat from whatever's burning produces a chemical reaction in the wood. And you have if any of you remember back in high school chemistry, you had this plus this, and it yielded the end results of whatever, like H2 plus O equals water. Well, when you have wood, paper, straw, whatever it is, and you introduce heat to that, not necessarily fire, but when you introduce heat to that, what you're doing, where'd my kneeling board go? Of course, it's missing. When you introduce heat to the wood, a chemical reaction happens that the wood breaks down into ash, and then you have an off gas, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, I forget which, but you have several flammable gases that are off-gassed in that heating process. And so when you're starting a fire, it's dry wood, wet wood, whatever it is, you've got to get enough heat built up for long enough for the gas, for the wood to start off-gassing. And when that off-gassing happens, then that gas is what is lit. And so when you look at a butane lighter, it's the same basic principle. You're lighting the gas. You're not actually lighting the wood, you're lighting the gas. Alright, so that's that wet wood again. I got some stacked up here, and I got some stacked on the side. If this is a campfire, you just build a circle around that fire and turn the wood over and let it dry out. But once you overcome the cooling effect of the water and all the water's cooked off, then you can then that wood will start off-gassing, and that's what you see that's burning is that gas that's coming off of there. And so that's what you're wanting to do, is what you're wanting to accomplish with any fire that you're building, is to get the wood to the point of where it's off-gassing. Alright, y'all take care, God bless, and peace!